Good morning, primary one. Welcome back to math session with me, Miss Tere. Please get yourself ready by reading the book, chapter 4. In this meeting, we're going to learn about chapter 4, multiplication of whole numbers, fractions, and mixed number. So if you get yourself are still confused about fractions, it's better for you to read chapter fractions first, or you may open your previous grade books, which is primary 4, to see about fractions, okay? Now, in this meeting, we're going to learn about multiplying a fraction by a whole number. The concept of the fraction is still same, but in primary 4 and below, all of you learned about the addition and subtraction of fraction, right? Now, starting from primary 5, we are going to learn about the multiplication and division as well. So please look at your textbook, page 72. Now, you will see this one. Debbie bought 16 stamps. She gave 3/4 of the stamps to her brother. How many stamps did Debbie give her brother? So, you see that 3 per 4. It means that like this. So, first, Debbie has these stamps. 16, right? And then Debbie gave 3 per 4. Look at the denominator, 4. It means that we're going to divide this model, this box, into 4, and then give 3 of it, gave 3 of the box to her brother. So look at here, 1, 2, 3. See? So we have 4, and then we have these 3 shaded. It means that these 3 we're going to give that to her brother. But how many stamps? As we know that 4 per 4 is 16 stamps, or 1 whole is 16 stamps. So 3 per 4 of it, 3 per 4 of 16 equals 3 per 4 multiplying. Means that in math, the word of means multiplication. Put that on your mind. Whenever you see of, that is multiplication, like 3 per 4 of 16 or 16 of 3 per 4, because that is same. In multiplication, that is same. It means that multiplication. Now, after that, what can we do? Look at here. It doesn't mean that 3 times 16 per 4, yeah, it can be, but I give you the shorter way. Pay attention. Now, why I am crossing that one? Because it can be simplified. 4 can be simplified, right? 16 can be simplified. So divided by what? Divided by 4. That's it. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Then what we get is 3 times 4 per 1, which is 12. So Devi gave 12 stamps to her brother. Okay? So this one, only this and this, ya. Nggak boleh ini dikali ini, nggak bisa, because that is fraction. This can be simplified with this, but misalnya can be simplified this with this? Cannot. Harus atas dan bawah, like this to this. So for example, if we have here 4, can we simplify this 16 divided by 4 here? Cannot. Yeah, only denominator. Put it once again on your mind, only denominator. Now look at textbook 73, try 1A. We have this one, 5 per 6 of 12. So what is that? Of once again means that multiplication. 5 per 6 times 12. Once again, can we simplify that? Yes, this 6 can be simplified with this 12, right? So divided by what? Divided by 6. Equals 1, and 12 divided by 6 equals 2. After that, what? 5 times 2. Okay, let me get the pen. So actually, it will be like this. 5 times 2, 5 times 2, okay, per 1. Get it? So 5 times 2 equals 10 per 1 equals 10. So that's how we get this 10, okay? But if you are still confused with this, you may ask me, you may leave your questions through in the comment section, or you may ask me through at below DM. 1B, 4 per 7 of 35. Once again, of means multiplication. 4 per 7 times 35. Once again, can we simplify this one? Yes. But actually, this is the shorter way. Once again, this is the shorter way. For the long way, it will be like this. 4 times 35 per 7. But it will be so lot because 4 times 35 it will be 100 and 4 times 20, that's it, per 7. So it will be so lot, right? When we can simplify that like that, 7 divided by 7 equals 1 and 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Well, what can we get? 20. So 14 divided 140 divided by 7, actually it is 20. But what we have is the shorter one. Now go to your workbook chapter 4, practice 1, number 1b. 1 per 4 of 28. 1 per 4 times 28. Once again, can we simplify that? Yes. What is that? Divided by 4. So 1 times 7 equals 7. Still, no, do you understand why it can be 7? Because 1 per 4 times 28. This one, ya kan? Like this. Nah, this and this, 7. This is 1. So 7 times 1, 7 per 1, which is 7. 3 per 5 of 40. 3 per 5 times 40. 40 divided by 5 can be or not? Yes, so 5 can be simplified with divided by 5. And 40 divided by 5 equals 8. Now what can we get? 3 times 8 equals 24. Go to D. 5 per 8 of 64. 5 per 8 times 64. Can we simplify that? Yes. So 8 divided by 8 and 64 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 64 divided by 8 equals 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. 4 per 7 of 49. So what is that? 4 per 7 times 49. Can we divide it? Yes. Can we simplify that? Yes. Divided by 7. 7. That's it. So that's all for today. Don't forget to practice your skill by doing workbook chapter 4, practice 1, number 2, and then we will discuss it on Tuesday, next Tuesday, meetings 11 August. If you have any question regarding to our lesson, you may leave your question in the comment section or you may ask me through Edmodo DM. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye, Primary 5.